Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about mechatronics. In this topic, we will discuss introduction to mechatronics, components of mechatronic system, what are the advantages and disadvantages and applications. Mechatronics, it is a multidisciplinary approach to product and manufacturing system design. Nowadays, customer demands excellent product quality and high degree of service level. That's why the traditional manufacturing system requires automatic methods for production of products. This can be achieved by the integration of number of technologies such as mechanical engineering or mechanical system, electronics system, electrical system, control system, etc. Thus, it opens a new field of technology that is known as mechatronics. So, mechatronics, basically the word mechatronics derived from two words, mechanical and electronics. Okay. So, mechanical and electronics, there are two words which is combined together to form the new technology that is known as mechatronics. Uh, Mecha taken from mechanical and tronics taken from electronics. So, it is a combination of mechanical and electronics that is known as mechatronics. So, in mechatronics, not only mechanical and electronic system is involved, but also number of technologies are also involved, like electrical engineering, computer science engineering, and control engineering, control system engineering. Okay. So, mechatronics involves a lot of technologies such as mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical engineering, computer science engineering, and control engineering. Okay. The term mechatronics was first coined by Tetsuro Mori, a senior Japanese engineer at Yasakawa Industries in the year of 1969. Okay. So, this term spread through Europe and is now commonly used around the globe. Okay, but first mechatronics was coined by Tetsuro Mori at Yasakawa Industry in the year of 1969. Okay, so in the next slide, what are the scope of mechatronics? Sorry, mechatronics. It is the definition of mechatronics. Mechatronics may be defined as the synergistic combination of precision mechanical engineering, electronics control and systems thinking in the design of products and manufacturing process. Okay. So, this is the scope of mechatronics. First scope is the better product design. First is the better product design, better process planning. The total system is automatically controlled. So, product design is very excellent. So, better product design, better process planning, reliable and quality oriented manufacturing. Okay. So, quality oriented manufacturing can achieve through this mechatronic system, intelligence process and production control, manufacturing of complex shapes. Okay. So, more accurate and more precision jobs are manufactured by this process. Okay. So, mechatronic system. In the next slide is the components of mechatronic system. Okay, in the mechatronic system there are number of components. Okay, like sensors, actuators, then analog input signal conditioning and interfacing, digital control architecture, output signal conditioning and interfacing, and graphical displays. Okay. So in this figure we will discuss bit by bit how a mechatronic system operates or works. You can see first is the sensor. It detects or sense the state of condition and converts into signal and sent to the signal conditioning unit. Signal conditioning unit amplifies the electrical signal from sensor and sent to the analog to digital. This system is the converts the analog signal sent by the signal conditioning unit to digital signal. Then after getting the digital signal, the controller which control the total system, okay, or this is a machine control unit. We the controller controls the total system or operates accordingly. What are the changes required is controlled by this control. Okay, it is controlled by the user. Okay, so then after getting after changes have made, the digital signals are converted to analog signal. Okay, then the analog signal goes to the actuator through drive circuit. Okay, what is the function of actuator? Actuator actuates or creates motion to the mechanical system. Okay, and mechanical system follows the actuator or mechanical system accordingly performs. So this is our sensor again detects that operation or that detects that process and again send to the signal to the signal conditioning unit. Okay, so this is the total components of mechatronic system, how a mechatronic system works. Okay, so components of mechatronic system as I discussed last year, as I discussed before. So actuator creates motion or actuates to the mechanical system. Different actuators are there like electrical and mechanical. Okay, so DC motor, solenoids, stepper motor, these are the number of actuators are used. Sensor like thermocouple, potentiometer, strain gauge, okay, which sense or detects the state of condition. Okay, so input signal conditioning and interfacing. Okay, uh, these are basically amplifier, analog to digital converter. Okay, which amplify the signal or convert the analog form into digital signal. Okay, so digital control architecture is the main control system which is controlled by programmable logic control, PLC, or a microcontroller. Okay, then output signal conditioning and interfacing, these are the these are basically digital to analog converter. Okay, amplifier. Okay, a graphical display, these are the basically LCDs, CRO. Okay, and mainly a display unit. Okay, so next is the advantages of mechatronics. Okay, so first advantages is the cost effective. The products produced are cost effective and very qualitable parts are produced through this mechatronic system. Okay, then high degree of flexibility. Okay, automatic weaving, it follows the automatic system, but so high degree of flexibility is there. Greater extent of machine utilization. Okay, so capital expenses are reduced due to integration of sensor and control system in complex system. Okay, so next is the productivity is high, greater productivity. Okay, so these are the advantages of mechatronics. Next is the disadvantages of mechatronics. What are the disadvantages? High initial cost of the system. Initial cost is very high. Okay, It is expensive to incorporate mechatronics approach to an classical approach or to an existing or old system or traditional system. It's very difficult. Okay, it is expensive to incorporate mechatronics approach to an existing or old system. Okay, so specific problems for various system will have to be addressed separately and properly. Number of technologies, number of systems are involved in this term and this term mechatronics. So specific problems for various system will have to be addressed separately and properly. Okay, so number of technologies are used in this technology. So what are the applications of mechatronics? Okay, so we discussed about the only introduction of mechatronics. Okay, so just we discuss what is mechatronics, what are the scope of mechatronics, what are the advantages, disadvantages and application. Okay, in next classes we will discuss the different area of mechatronics. Okay, like sensor, transducer, actuator, okay, PLC. Okay, so what are the applications of mechatronics? Fax and photocopier machine, dishwasher, air conditioner, elevator controls. Okay, automatic washing machines, flexible manufacturing system (FMS), document scanner, VCR and CD player, integrated circuit manufacturing system, robotics, nuclear inspection, etc. Okay, these are the application of mechatronics. Okay, so this is all about the introduction of mechatronic system. Okay, so thank you so much.